Hi, today we will learn how to find out electricity consumption for a home or for any premises. As always, we use some demonstration Excel sheet to find out the things for your easiness. In this video, we will also do it through a ready data sheet where you have to only enter the equipment name. Second is what power consumption does it take. Third is what time we are using it. From there we will learn how to find out its for day. Next, multiplied by 30, so there on we will calculate what is the approximate consumption for 30 days. So thanks for tuning in. I am Vicky, you are watching Vicky Engineer. Let's start the video. So this is the Excel sheet through which we will demonstrate or learn how to calculate the electricity power consumption for a home or for any premises. Basically, we are taking or considering the example that we are considering or calculating it for our home. As you see over here, this is the equipment name, this is the indicated unit, that is the power consumption unit. If you are using some equipment, suppose you are using electricity LED bulb. On the LED bulb, if you go through the LED bulb, there is written some consumption like it 8 watt or 9 watt or 10 watt, like that. That is the indicated unit. Next is power consumption. Power consumption is, if it's written 8 watt over the LED bulb, 8 is the power consumption and watt is the unit of that power. Next we will enter the quantity, how much quantity of bulb we are using in our home. Next is how much hour per day. If we are using it 8 hours per day, we will enter 8 hours per day. Next is the price slab. I have taken example of OPTCL. Based on that, I made that price slab. If in your area the price slab is different, like if in your area 1 to 100 is the first price slab, you always can enter 100 over here, and based on that you can enter the price over here. Before starting, let's learn something in brief. What is electricity unit? Electricity unit is basically the kWh, which stands for energy. Like kilowatt is a unit of power, kWh is the unit of energy. Like if we use 1 kilowatt of power for 1 hour, that stands for 1 kWh, that is 1 electricity unit. Once you click the drop down, there are many equipment lists. From that list you have to select one equipment for your home. Suppose we will first go for LED lamp. We have selected LED lamp over here. Next, what is the unit of that equipment? For LED lamp, this is the watt, so we have selected watt. Next, what power does it consume? Suppose that is 10 watt LED lamp. We have selected enter 10 watt over here, and the quantity is 5. And we are on an average we are using it for 8 hours. So it comes to 0.4 kWh, that is 0.4 unit. Next we have again selected LED lamp, and this time the power consumption is 12 watt and the quantity is 6, so it comes to 0.7 kWh. I think I have made it clear to you. If you are having in confusion learning this process, pause the video and again go through this video from the start so that you will make it clear. Next is LED TV. We have selected LED TV over here, watt, and the power consumption is normally LED TV consumes 60 watts, so I have entered 60 watt over here, and there are 2 units of LED TV, so that it comes to 0.96 kWh. Next is water pump. Suppose the normally water pump unit stands for HP, horsepower, so we have selected horsepower, and suppose the pump is of 1.2 HP, so we have entered 1.2 over here. And there is one number of water pump in our home, so we have selected 1. Next we are using it for 1 hour, so we have selected 1 hour over here. So let's consider 2 hour over here, so it comes to 1.79 kWh. Likewise, you do fill up the data over here. Suppose let's consider one more example. Suppose we are using a laptop. From this equipment list we have considered laptop, and the consumption is in watt, and it normally laptop consumes 60 watts, so I have considered over here. You do fill up as actual as you feel, and the quantity is 1, and we use it for 8 hours, so we have selected 8 hours over here, and the total comes to 0.48 kWh, that is 0.48 unit. Likewise, as your equipment list you are having in your home or any premises, do fill up that equipment list in the tonnage or any power consumption, tonnage or watt or kilowatt, as in this drop down list from that. Next, what power it consumes, enter that data over here. Next, quantity, and what time you are using it for, what hour. Next is, here automatically we get the total consumption per day comes to 14.2, and approximately if we multiply it for 30 days, it comes to 426.2. that is 426.2 unit we are consuming for 1 month. Now we will go for the price slab calculation, that is price cap of electricity board. Suppose in your area for 1 to 49 units, but the bill slab as per electricity board is 2.3. so we have entered 2.3 over here, and the unit is 49, so multiplied by this 2, it comes to 2.7. Next, 51 to 199 unit, we have entered 150 over here, and that price slab is 430 per unit, and so it comes to 645. Next is 150 plus 50, it totally comes to 200. So left unit is 226.2. So it comes to 1266.72, and the total comes to 2024.42 INR. I think you must have some clarity on this topic. If you have some query or suggestion on this, let me know in the comment section so that I'll make it clear for you. Secondly, if you need this demonstrated datasets for your further use, follow our Telegram channel where we share that all demonstrated datasets over there, so that you can download it from there and you can use it for further. Lastly, if you like seeing this type of video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that I can reach you faster with this type of content. Till then, signing off. Bye bye. See you next.